Hello traders, and welcome to my channel. If today is your first time coming across my channel, kindly do me a favor to hit the subscribe button, put on the notification bell so that whenever anytime I post some amazing content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified so that you can leverage on the strategy. Now today's strategy is very unique and very accurate, especially if you are going to follow the instructions as stated. And some of you are good at skipping videos. When you are watching videos like this, you skip. All you are just looking for is to get the setup, and then you go and start trading on your own. That is why you can never and ever make money on trading. Trading is a platform where you need to be patient and you need to observe every rules. Otherwise, you lose your money. So if you are not paying attention from day one this time around, kindly pay attention and try to watch this video till the end. And at the end, put your opinion in the comment section. After trying it out, let me know what the outcome is, or if you have any other suggestion, you can also let me know via the comment section. Kudos to those of you who have subscribed and who have been following us bumper to bumper in this channel. I really appreciate you guys. You are the one making me to keep pushing. Before we go into this strategy in details, please have it in the back of your mind that if you are a beginner, mobile strategy is for scalping. All you do is you scalp with the mobile strategy, except maybe you are a good trader or is a person who understands the technical analysis, then you can hold longer. So if you are new, always leverage on the little profit and wait for another setup to take advantage of it or to leverage over it. And if you have been losing money trading forex, crypto, or synthetic indices, check my channel. There are couples of videos where I talked about the millionaire strategy using the software to track price and for proper entry. You know, the reason why most of you lose while trading is because when you miss the entry, you mess up the whole thing. When you are supposed to be exiting and you are taking entry, then you are risking your equity or your capital. So to curb all this, the millionaire strategy is what you need. I don't have any PDF written or whatsoever to bore you. I think the maximum should be 3 videos. The first one should be on how to set it up. The second one is how to understand it using the softwares. Then the last one is tracking the best signals. So these are all, and it doesn't take you up to an hour to watch all this video, then you go practicing it. If you don't have a laptop, that is not an issue. You can also use your mobile phone with the help of VPS. So when you subscribe for VPS, you'll be able to install those software on your mobile phone to have the same interface like that of laptop, and then you start making your money on a daily basis. Some of you have been asking how much is the capital to start if you get the software. The capital is not the problem in trading. Your skill and your strategy in place matters more. If you had a good strategy, you can start as low as $10. So the strategy is what matters, and this strategy is 99.9% accurate. So after watching those videos of the millionaire strategy, if you're interested, my WhatsApp number is in the description below. You can message me, then we'll discuss further. On today's strategy, we'll be talking about how to use this window 1 to track price movement. So before I proceed, let me show you the setup so that you'll be able to add them. Then when I explain how you can use it, you'll be able to also follow. You click on this icon here to add the indicators. Once you click on it, it takes you to where the indicators are, and the next thing is you click on the FX on the main chart, and then you pull those indicators one after the other in the chart. The first one here is the moving average. We are going to be using the exponential moving average throughout in the main chart. So the period is going to be 5, shift 0, method exponential, close. Use any style of your choice, any color of your choice, then you click on save. The second one is period 13. So what you just change is the period and the color, then you click on save. While the last one for the main chart is 50 and you change the color as well, then click on save. Now to add this window 1 indicator, you have to click on this FX, and when you click on it, it takes you to where we have the oscillator. That is where you get the relative strength index, which is this one here. So when you click on that, it definitely gives you something like this. So we are only focusing on the levels. So you put it on period 1, then change the style to your background color. If you are using black background, change it to black. Then if you are using white, like as I'm using now, change it to white. So the levels are what matters most here. So we have levels like level 94, level 95. The level 95 is considered overbought, and then we have level 70, 95. Just screenshots. So these are all the levels, and put the descriptions, because level 3 is oversold, level 10 is strong buy, while level 55 is probably take your profit at that point. That is your first TP. Then level 70 is considered to be strong sell. So after that, you click on save. So at the end of the day, your chart will look exactly like mine, just like what you see here. So you can use it on all the pairs in as much as the signals are accurate, but I would like to use this moving average, volatility 75 as one of the examples. Now for a buy scenario, what we want to see is, we want to see all the moving average touching level 10 or probably going below it, and before we consider a good buy, we want to see price, that is the black line, and others crossing the red line. The red line there is the moving average 200. Sorry, it's as if I did not show you those setup. Let's go back. So after putting it, we have moving average 5 period to the main chart, to the window 1. The second one is 8. The third one is 13. The fourth one is 21, and the last one is 200. So the red line is 200 in the window 1, while the red line in the main chart is 50. So once you have done, back to where we are. So the condition for buy, proper buy, is we want to see a good scenario like this, where price is crossing above all the moving average, crossing that moving average, that is the 200 moving average above. Once you get it, then you execute a buy order, because when you have it there, you also have similar scenario in the main chart. So that's where you hold it. Then when price gets to level 55, you can either decide to do break even or probably close the trade at that level. Is that clear? I told you for mobile strategy you are scalping, except you are a good technical analyst chart. Somebody who understands the technical analysis, that is when you hold for a longer period. So that is for a buy setup. Now for a sell setup, it is more or less like the opposite. We want to see price cross above below the moving average, that is the 200 moving average. Then we want to also see price cross the same thing, that is the 50 moving average. Is that clear, guys? You can modify this by going to lower time frame to take proper entry. So when you get to the cross here, you can still go to lower time frame so that you manage your risks. And once you have it like this, always put your stop loss at the swing high. Is that clear? Put your stop loss at the swing high for sell, and for buy, put your stop loss at the swing low. This strategy works for all pairs. It works for all pairs. So we can still check on, let's see, boom 1000, where we have a sell scenario. You can see immediately it crossed here. You take your sell. So check here, you have the same scenario. Price has crossed the 50 moving average. So when you take your sell, you watch out for area of exit, and also modify your time frame or filter it. Then for the sake of buy, that is catching a spike, you can also use the same technique like we see here. When you see price cross above it and you have similar scenario, then you hold for spike. That means to catch spike. So this can work on forex and also work on the synthetic indices. It is applicable to all pair. Please, if you are watching and you are yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button, put on notification bell, because I do put strategies on the chart on my channel here, so that you'll be able to get the one that works best for you and then leverage on them. And don't forget, if you are really interested in making the real money on trading, the only software you need now is the Millionaire Strategy software. So go and watch how it works and then DM me if you're interested. For everyone here in my channel, there's a 50% discount. Yeah, there's a 50% discount. So I think that is that. You can do your back test. Then let me know your experience on the comment section. Please always practice before you start going live, so that you don't come telling me you tried it out and you blew off your account. And always follow instruction so that you make good results. Cheers and have a nice day. Thanks.